West Bengal, a tapestry of natural wonders. Nestled in the eastern embrace of India, West Bengal is a state that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. West Bengal is a land of captivating contrasts, where every corner reveals a new facet of its diverse landscape. From the snow-clad peaks of the majestic Himalayas in the north to the lush greenery of the fertile plains in the south, the state is a paradise for nature lovers, offering a myriad of outdoor activities and serene landscapes to explore. The vibrant culture and rich history of West Bengal only add to its allure, with festivals, music, and dance that bring the state to life, making it a destination that beckons travelers from all walks of life, eager to experience its unique charm. Prepare to be enchanted by the scenic wonders that await you in West Bengal, from its iconic natural landmarks to its hidden gems. Whether you seek adventure in the rugged terrains of the Himalayas or tranquility amidst the serene beauty of its natural parks and reserves, West Bengal has something to offer every soul, from the thrill seekers to those in search of peace and quiet. Join us on a journey to discover the most captivating scenic spots that this enchanting state has to offer, and let the magic of West Bengal leave you spellbound. Darjeeling, where the Himalayas kiss the sky. This enchanting town, nestled in the lap of the mighty Himalayas, offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Perched high in the Himalayas, Darjeeling is a hill station that needs no introduction. Its serene environment and picturesque landscapes make it a perfect getaway for those seeking tranquility and adventure alike. Known as the Queen of the Hills, Darjeeling is renowned for its breathtaking views of Mount Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak in the world. The sight of the sun rising over this majestic peak is a spectacle that draws visitors from all corners of the globe. The town is a tapestry of vibrant cultures, colonial architecture, and of course, the world-famous Darjeeling tea. Wander through the bustling markets, where the aroma of fresh spices and local delicacies fills the air, and explore the charming colonial buildings that tell tales of a bygone era. A ride on the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is an experience that will transport you back in time. As the steam train chugs through the mountains, you'll be treated to panoramic views of lush green valleys and quaint villages. The air is crisp and cool, infused with the aroma of pine trees and the sweet scent of blooming rhododendrons. Every breath you take here feels like a refreshing embrace from nature itself. As you sip a cup of freshly brewed Darjeeling tea, the panoramic vista of the Himalayas will leave you spellbound. The tea plantations, stretching as far as the eye can see, add to the charm of this idyllic setting, making every moment in Darjeeling a memory to cherish forever. A journey through Darjeeling's tea gardens. No trip to Darjeeling is complete without a visit to its famed tea gardens. Spread across rolling hills, these emerald green plantations offer a glimpse into the art of tea making. Watch as tea pluckers deftly pluck the finest leaves, their baskets brimming with the promise of a refreshing brew. Take a stroll through the tea gardens, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and lose yourself in the tranquility of nature's embrace. Many tea estates offer guided tours and tastings, allowing you to savor the different varieties of Darjeeling tea and learn about the intricate process of tea production. The enchanting wildlife of Darjeeling. Beyond its scenic beauty, Darjeeling is also home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna. The Himalayan Zoological Park is a must-visit for wildlife enthusiasts. Here, you can spot rare and endangered species such as the snow leopard, red panda, and Himalayan black bear. The Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, also known as Darjeeling Zoo, is renowned for its successful breeding programs for endangered Himalayan species. For birdwatchers, Darjeeling is a paradise. Over 600 species of birds can be found in the region, including the Himalayan bluetail, the rufous-necked hornbill, and the white-throated laughing thrush. Section 5, Sundarbans, a mangrove wonderland. From the heights of the Himalayas, our journey takes us to the southern tip of West Bengal, where the mighty Ganges River meets the Bay of Bengal. Here lies the Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This intricate network of waterways, mudflats, and mangrove islands is home to a unique ecosystem teeming with life. Embark on a boat safari through the mangroves and witness the raw beauty of nature. The Sundarbans is a sanctuary for a diverse array of wildlife, including the Royal Bengal tiger, saltwater crocodiles, spotted deer, and a plethora of bird species. Section 6. Exploring the Sundarbans Aquatic Kingdom. The waterways of the Sundarbans are a sight to behold. As you glide through the narrow channels, keep an eye out for the elusive Royal Bengal tiger, the apex predator of this ecosystem. Crocodiles bask in the sun along the muddy banks, while playful otters frolic in the water. The air is alive with the calls of exotic birds, creating a symphony of nature's music. The Sundarbans is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of preserving such pristine ecosystems for generations to come. Section 7. Dooars, where wilderness reigns supreme. Our journey through West Bengal's scenic wonders now takes us to Dooars, a region that lies at the foothills of the majestic Himalayas. This area is a true gem, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Dooars, meaning doors in Bengali, serves as a gateway to Bhutan. This strategic location has made it a significant passageway for centuries, connecting the Indian plains with the mountainous terrains of Bhutan. This region is characterized by its lush tea gardens, sprawling forests, and meandering rivers, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers. The tea gardens here are not just a treat for the eyes, but also produce some of the finest teas in the world. Explore the Gorumara National Park, Jaldapara National Park, and Buxa Tiger Reserve, each offering unique experiences and opportunities to witness wildlife in their natural habitats. In these parks, you can spot rhinoceroses, elephants, and leopards, among other fascinating creatures. The sight of these majestic animals roaming freely is truly awe-inspiring. Additionally, the region is a paradise for birdwatchers, with a myriad of bird species inhabiting the area. From vibrant peacocks to elusive hornbills, the avian diversity here is remarkable. The forests of Dooars are a treasure trove of biodiversity, offering a glimpse into the wild side of West Bengal. These dense forests are home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it a perfect destination for those looking to connect with nature. Section 8. The allure of Dooars tea gardens and wildlife. Like Darjeeling, Dooars is also renowned for its tea gardens. Take a leisurely stroll through the tea estates, breathe in the aroma of freshly plucked tea leaves, and witness the process of tea making from leaf to cup. The picturesque landscape of Dooars, with its rolling hills, verdant valleys, and gushing rivers, is a photographer's delight. For adventure seekers, Dooars offers ample opportunities for trekking, river rafting, and wildlife safaris. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature and create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 9. Shantiniketan, a symphony of art and nature. Our final destination takes us to Shantiniketan, a small town located near Bolpur in the Birbhum district of West Bengal. Founded by the Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, Shantiniketan, meaning abode of peace, is a unique blend of art, culture, and nature. Tagore envisioned a place where education would be imparted in harmony with nature, and Shantiniketan is a testament to his vision. Visit the Visva Bharati University, founded by Tagore, and witness the open-air classes held under the shade of trees. The university is a center for learning in various art forms, including music, dance, painting, and sculpture. Section 10. Experiencing the tranquility of Shantiniketan. Stroll through the lush green campus, adorned with sculptures and murals, and soak in the artistic ambience. The Uttarayan complex, Tagore's former residence, is now a museum that offers insights into his life and works. The annual Paush Mela, a fair held in December, is a vibrant celebration of Bengali culture, with folk music, dance performances, and handicrafts on display. Shantiniketan is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature and the world of art and literature. Section 11. Unveiling more scenic gems of West Bengal. Our journey through the scenic wonders of West Bengal has taken us from the towering Himalayas to the mangrove forests of the Sundarbans, from the wildlife haven of Dooars to the artistic haven of Shantiniketan. Each destination has its own unique charm, offering an unforgettable experience to travelers. But our journey doesn't end here. West Bengal has many more hidden gems waiting to be explored. What other scenic wonders of West Bengal would you like to discover? Share your thoughts and let's continue our exploration of this enchanting state together.